Hey guys, we are over at SeaWorld today, walking through Christmastown right now on the way to do a quick update on Icebreaker. We'll get a couple new views that we haven't seen before of the construction, different angles, and we'll also take a look at the back half of the ride's construction site to see if anything's been going on back there. So from right here we can see that the rise into the brake run is complete, that final air hill, and also a bit more of the launch section. So top hat right here in front of us, you'll go down and then back up and over this pathway to the back half. And that piece looks to be the second air hump during that quadruple launch section, so that will be just before the top hat. And quite a bit of work still here to be done. This is the back half of the ride. Don't really see any footers yet. And that's about it for today. Short and sweet. We got some new angles on the ride, and we see that there's still a lot of work to be done. We'll be following it closely in the next weeks, so check back and we'll have an update for you. And have a good holiday.